Today, in recognition of its rich history, outstanding achievements, and enduring legacy, and in commemoration of the 80th anniversary, I hereby declare Thika School for the Visually Impaired a National Center of Excellence in Special Needs Education.
As we celebrate this day, let us commit ourselves to creating a society where every person feels valued and accepted. Let us promote access to education, healthcare, sun protection, employment opportunities, and equal participation in all aspects of life.
Inclusion is not charity, but development. When a child is denied education because of discrimination, Kenya loses talent. When a qualified individual is denied employment because of prejudice, Kenya loses productivity. When a capable leader is excluded because of stereotype, Kenya loses innovation.